Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are approaching this high right here. Like I've been saying, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, and if it is, it might go up and grab these highs and then turn down in a big way. Especially looking at like the weekly time frame, this definitely seems very possible. The whole thing is I'm definitely going to only do what the market tells me to do, and the market is telling me to only look for longs right now. We may think that this is a wave five. It may go up and then bounce and then end up making a higher low and just keep on trending up. The trend is definitely up, and if we think this is a wave five, that is just a speculation. The market doesn't really care what our speculation is. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I've been saying all week long, I'm definitely only looking for longs. I'm definitely only looking to go long at the end of 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. So unfortunately, right now, I don't think I would want to go long, and I definitely wouldn't want to go short based on the daily time frame. So I would have to wait for another pullback in order to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. We got CPI inflation data coming out today, and that is a big news event, so definitely could change things a little bit. Like I said, there is a possibility this is a wave five on the daily time frame, and if it is, it could actually make a big trend reversal. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.